Hello, hello, everybody. Welcome to fall, summer, spring. I don't know what we got going on here, but the window's open. The wind chimes are blowing. It's like in the 60s, close to 70. Unbelievable. And it is November 3rd. Really? What's going on around here? I don't know. And here, I'm going to show you things with snow. So, hey, there we go. These are from DPCLUBS, and I'm excited to show you these. There's some really cute things in here. And then, of course, I was looking at another site somewhere. Maybe it was theirs. I don't know whose, but there's a whole bunch of Christmassy things coming that are special drills, and I need to get some of those. I got a couple here. I got a couple, but there's just cute stuff coming out lately, you guys. Oh my gosh. So let's start with this one. It's a full drill. Let's start there. I have a toolkit. That's what they look like. Drills. All right. So look at this, how cute this is, right? Super cute. And it shows up. Not too much detail. It's just a little one. It's a 30 by 40. 29 colors, though, on this puppy. We got a truck. We got the Christmas tree coming home. A snowman in the yard. I love the barn. Absolutely love the red barn. We're out in the country. There's my truck. Got a wreath on the front. I think I can talk Dale into putting a wreath on the front of our truck for Christmas. Probably not. I don't think he'll do it. Anyhow, you want to see it up close? Let's look up close. There you go. What do you think? I know we got some mad sun coming in. And I waited for the sun to go away so that it wasn't all over the place here. But that's cute. I love it. Nice plastic on it. Nice sticky on it. Love it, love it. Let's open these up. Do you want to open these up? Let's not open these up. I hesitate. I don't want to open all of them. But we got navy blue, white, coral, purple, blues, greens, more blues. See the colors? Blues. No, the glare is right there. Glare from the sun is right there. Browns, greens, rusts, orange. That's a pretty color. I like that one right there. That one's pretty. I like that. So, won't that be cute, though? That would be cute. I love that. That just gives me a cozy feeling. I was going to say warm and cozy, but it's snow. I don't know. All right, so there's that one. Perfect. Then we have this guy. Look at this guy. Look at him. I told you Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Special drill. None of the black gets drills. That's all just printed. And a lot of the green does not get print or not get drills. It's just printed. So it's super cute. This only has 9 different shapes and stuff. Does it have any specials? Yep. There's some special ones. There's some larger ones. There's an 8 right there. An 8. So we got some fun stuff there. Look at his little antlers. He's cute. It's super cute. My little gnomes. Oh, that's a she. Excuse me. Somebody was asking me in one of my videos, how come all the gnomes are men? They all have beards. And I'm like, well, they're not. And I try to find them when they have the girl gnomes. There's one for you right there. There's a she gnome. She's a girl. All right, let's see what we have in here. Let's see what we have. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and I love doing Christmas paintings. Ready? Clear. 2 bags. Whew, those sparkle in the sun. Holy cow. You see the little sun shimmer on the back there? Woo! Red, green, some black, which is not crystal or rhinestone, brown, gold. Here's our specials. Red, smooth, white, smooth, and holy stars. I didn't see stars. Where's the stars? I hope this isn't wrong, right? Like I got an erroneous canvas one. Oh, nope, they're there. They sure are. But they're on his little costume right there, right there. Oh, there are stars everywhere. Okay, so these are correct. Yeah, ever since I had the one, I actually got the wrong object in the box. The drills were right. The object inside was wrong. All right, there's that one. All right. While we're on a gnome kick, let's just gnome it up. Gnome it up. Okay, so you know I like my gnomes without eyes. He's almost without eyes. He's just got a little peekaboo eye there, which I'm kind of cool with that. I kind of like that. He's just like, hey. He's got 28 colors, a lot of colors. Now look at that welcome. Do you see that it is very clear? Now I wonder how that's going to turn out when we drill that, because it appears to be close to the same colors as the background. But look, let's look up close. It is all one color. It is all you. Well, almost all you. I don't know. Look at him. Hi. He's got his little bird on his shoulder. He's super cute. He's got his packages. He's ready to go to a party and hand out stuff. He's looking like, hello, doo-doo-doo-doo. He's got his candy cane. He's marching along. All the chrysanthemums. No, not chrysanthemums. Poinsettias. Sorry, poinsettias. Cute. Cute. Just letters and numbers on this. Letters and numbers, folks. We'll look at the drills. I'll open some up. Yeah, I know. All right. He's like a red, white, and blue patriotic gnome for Christmas. He's got a lot going on. See, we're just in a whole mix-up of seasons here and holidays. And so we have some off-white, some pretty colors, some greens. What else do we have? All right, here's a big long strip. Look at that bright orange. Where does the bright orange go? Oh, probably right in there in the flame. That is neon. Blue, green, orange. Blue, red, burgundy. Blue, gray, red, gray, blue, gray. Oh, goodness. There's the colors. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like them. I like it a lot. That'll be fun to do. Look, I could almost put them in the bag that way. Not quite. Almost. All right, so there's that one. I got one more. One more. I really like this one. I love this kind of a picture, and what better way to do this than in special drills? You know, I think it's fun that way. So this part back here is printed. The jars themselves are printed, but the words are in rhinestone and they're outlined with rhinestones. Look at all the special drills on the flowers. Look at those. Wow. And then there's some down here. There's a few more. Faith, hope, love, peace, joy. I choose those. How about you? I choose those. Yes. Got some cardinals flitting around, some berry branches. Little snowman. Another cardinal. Love it. I just love it. It's so cute. Oh boy. 12 different shapes. Stones, sizes, drills. There we go. We'll just start with those. Right? Boom. Aren't those going to be gorgeous? All those flowers, not all of them. We have some 11s too, which are different. We'll get to those in a minute. All right, so let's show you some red drills. 2 different shades of red. 2 different shades of gold colors. One's more brown, more gold. Greens, a couple greens. Clear. Okay, we have some yellow pearls. I bet you those are flower centers, right? Yes. Is it number 10? No, it's number 8. Where's 8 go? Well, no. Down here, the centers of the bows. Huh, okay. Is that it? Those 2? No, there's a couple more up here on the jars, on the ribbons. Okay, they got one, all the ribbons. There you go. The greens, reds, and here's our other flowers. Clear. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love this, love this. Boy, do I need more time in my life. I need more time in my life to get things done. I do. How do you make more time in your life? I don't know. So what do you think? What do you think? I told you it's like Christmas. Christmas has come to Michigan in November when it's acting like summer. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, yeah, it's like this sometimes. It's fun this way when I get a little goofy. So I hope you enjoyed. Come back. And you guys that, visit all the time, you know. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you, DP Clubs, for sending these. They're great. I love them. All right. Talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.